Car mechanic salary. The car mechanic's salary can vary depending on their experience, the type of work they do, and the company they work for. The average starting salary for a car mechanic is around $40,000, but this can range from $35,000 to $50,000. Experienced mechanics can earn more than $65,000 a year. Requirements to become a car mechanic. The career as a car mechanic may be a good fit if you are mechanically inclined, enjoy working with your hands, and enjoy problem solving. There are a few things you'll need to do to become a car mechanic. First, you'll need to complete an accredited training program. Programs can be found at vocational schools, community colleges, and technical institutes. Programs typically last from 6 months to 2 years. Next, you'll need to become certified. Certification is offered by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. Certification is voluntary, but it can help you get a job and may lead to higher wages. There are a few things you can do to increase your chances of becoming a car mechanic. One is to have a strong interest in cars and automotive mechanics. You should also be able to work independently and have good problem-solving skills. It's also helpful to have some experience working with your hands. As a car mechanic, you'll be responsible for inspecting, repairing, and maintaining cars and light trucks. Job duties may vary depending on the shop where you work, but may include diagnosing problems, performing tune-ups, changing oil and filters, replacing brakes and other parts, calibrated in a wide range of automotive systems and components. Most car mechanics are satisfied with their careers. They enjoy the challenge of diagnosing and solving problems and the sense of satisfaction that comes from repairing a car. They also enjoy the sense of community that often exists in auto shops. However, car mechanics may sometimes need to work long hours and may be exposed to fumes and other hazards. They will also need to lift heavy parts and equipment.